The first unit was a bunkhouse. The kids were younger, so the bunkhouse made a lot of sense for them at that point in time. We kept it 5 years or 5 seasons. And as the kids went off to college, we decided we wanted the ability to haul a few other toys and things for me and my wife. So that's why we went to a toy hauler. Gosh, where do you start? Love the layout. I love the new shower design. That's my favorite, just because of the step down into the shower. The queen size bed is really good. We like the kitchen layout, the island. Just the overall layout fits our style of camping. The story that I tell everyone from the beginning was when we bought our Reflection, we had it out in one trip. It was a 600-mile trip. I had a tire that would not hold air, and we took it back to the dealer. They couldn't find a problem, but as soon as you put the tire back on the rig, it would lose air. And I sent an email off to Grand Design. They immediately, the same day, emailed me back and said, "Can you give me your address? We'll ship you a new tire." I was expecting just the tire, and 2 days later, I end up with a brand new wheel assembly, rim, tire, everything, and not expecting that. I respond and ask, what do we need to do with the old one? And they said, take it to the recycle place. We don't want it back. And that's kind of unheard of in the RV industry. And we had a very similar situation with a refrigerator. We had a crack inside the freezer compartment. Called up my dealer, told him what was going on. He called me back, this was in an afternoon. He called me back the next morning and said, I've already spoke to the guys at Grand Design. I've got your refrigerator on the way. Can you have it down next week and we'll swap it out for you? I mean, you read stories online about things being months to get repaired, and with Grand Design standing behind these things, we feel very confident, obviously confident enough to buy a second one. So the camaraderie, the familiarity, the fact that you come out with the corporate folks, folks that you see on social media, folks that you talk to in person here, it means a lot to know that our feedback is heard.